Okay, here's the deal. Let's pretend I've got $0 to my name, nothing in my bank account, no safety net, and no one is coming to save me. And I've got 30 days to make $10,000 or else I'm screwed. So what do? How do I make that kind of money from absolutely nothing? I'm going to walk you through every step. Now, if you're wondering why you should listen to me, that's fair. My name is Fred, and I originally come from a low middle class family. Money was usually tight growing up, and that gave me the drive to work hard and build a business that's made me thousands of dollars a day in profit. So I do know a thing or two about making money remotely, which is exactly why I'm making this video today. The first thing I would do, before I would even touch a computer or send a message or even think about making money, is figure out why I'm doing this. And I don't mean because I want more money or because I want to be rich. That stuff sounds nice, but it's not deep enough. So I would sit with myself and think, why do I need $10,000 every month? Maybe I want to get out of debt. Maybe I want to help my family. Maybe I want to stop living paycheck to paycheck and finally have choices. Maybe I want to stop working a job I hate and actually wake up excited about my day. The point is, I have to make it emotional. It has to matter. It has to make me feel something in my chest. Because if I don't have a real reason, I won't stick with the plan. I'll quit the second it gets hard. That's what 99.9% of people do, I can promise you that. But if I'm doing this to take care of my future kid or to give my parents a better life, or to finally live life on my own terms, to have the freedom I want, then I'm going to push through the discomfort. The reason is the engine that keeps me going, and the same will be true for you. Now once I've got my powerful reason why I'm doing the work, I'm not going to look for a job. I'm not going to start filling out applications or begging someone to hire me. Jobs are slow. Jobs limit how much you can earn. You're trading your time for little bits of money, and there's always a ceiling. Even when you get a raise, it barely covers inflation. I want to build something that gives me leverage. Leverage basically means I can do one thing and get paid many times for it. So instead of getting paid $10 per hour, I can make hundreds, even thousands of dollars in one day. And I don't need to work more hours. And the best way to do that, especially when you've got little money, you don't need tens of thousands of dollars, is to start a simple business, an online business. And I mean really simple. No office, no staff. It would just be me solving a painful problem for other people. That's the key. That's what I've done. If I can find people who have a painful problem and I can help them to fix it, figure out how to do it, they won't pay me. That's how business works. You solve problems, you get paid. The more painful the problem, the higher the price. But not all problems are equal. I wouldn't just pick any random business. I'd look for a niche that actually hurts. A niche, it's just a group of people with a specific problem. And I want a problem that people are desperate to fix. Think about it like this. If someone has a tiny crack in their wall, they might wait months to fix it. But if someone's bathroom floods and water is pouring everywhere, they'll pay anything to get it fixed today. That's the kind of problem I want to solve. Urgent, painful, can't wait problems. For example, a small business owner with no customer comes in. That hurts. A person who hasn't been on a date in years feels lonely. That hurts. A homeowner with a broken furnace in the middle of winter. That really hurts. When people are in pain, they want it gone now, and they're willing to pay to make that happen. That's why I avoid things like selling cheap products online or getting into trendy businesses that don't solve real problems like dropshipping or print on demand. I want something real. Now, unfortunately, we're not allowed to share everything on YouTube, which is why I've recorded a free video to show you how I made over $1,000 a day in profit from my laptop. And right now, we're also offering a few free consultation calls with me or my team to help you come up with a game plan to reach financial freedom in 90 days or less using the PTP method. Now, I highly suggest you click the link in the description below when you're done watching this video. But be quick, because spots fill up extremely fast and soon we'll be forced to take the video down. Once I find a niche that's in pain, the next step is to create a clear and specific offer. This is where most people mess up. They make offers that are way too vague. Like, I help people grow, or I do coaching. That doesn't mean anything. If someone is in pain, they need to know exactly how I can help them and what result they're going to get. So instead of saying, I'll do marketing, I would say something like, I'll get you 10 new customers in the next 2 weeks. That's a result. That's a promise. People don't want services. They want results. If I can give them a clear, simple result, and they believe I can do it, they won't pay. The offer has to be so good, they feel silly saying no. And that only happens when the promise is specific and the result is real. Now I've got my niche and my offer. So how do I get clients? This is where most people overcomplicate things. They think they need ads or websites or funnels. But when I'm starting from zero, I don't need any of that. I need conversations. Real human conversations. I'd get on social media and start messaging people in my niche, not spamming, not pitching right away. I would ask them simple, friendly questions like, hey, I saw you run a gym. I'm curious, what's been the biggest challenge getting new members lately? That opens the door, and it helps you learn a lot about your niche and their current obstacles. That gets people talking, and once they share their struggles, I see if my offer can help. I would do this every single day. I would make it my priority to message 100 people a day on Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, wherever they hang out. That's how I fill my calendar with calls and get my first clients for free without spending money on ads. At the same time, I would post short videos online, nothing fancy. Just me, talking into my phone, helping with one small problem at a time. For example, here's how to get 3 new customers this week if you own a local business. I'd keep it simple, helpful, and short. At the end, I'd say something like, if you want help with this, message me the word help. Those videos start bringing people to me. They see I know what I'm talking about. They trust me. They reach out. And when they do, I don't try to sell them in the messages. I book a call using free tools like Calendly. Then I talk to them on Zoom, which is also free. That's where I close the deals. On the call, I ask about their pain. I really listen. I don't talk too much. I just try to understand what they're going through. Then I explain how I can help and how we can deliver those results. I talk about the value, not the features. I don't list a bunch of stuff I'll do. I focus on what they'll get and how their life or business will be better after working with me. If they believe I can solve their pain and see the return they'll get, they'll say yes. And boom, I've got a $1,000 or even $3,000 client. Now comes the part where most people get stuck: delivery. I would deliver the service myself if I know how to do it. If I promised leads, I'd help them get leads. If I promised to build a website, I'd fix their website or build one. I'd use free tools like Google Docs to keep notes, Loom to send video updates, Notion to organize stuff, and ChatGPT to help me think or write things if needed. I use it every day, I'm not kidding. I wouldn't worry about being perfect. I'd focus on getting the result fast and simple. That's what clients are about. Now, if I don't know how to deliver that service myself, then I don't give up and that's it. I would leverage AI tools or pay remote contractors to do that part for me so I can free up my time and focus on getting more clients and scaling my business. Now, once I start getting results, even small ones, I'd share them. If a client messages me and says, hey, I just got my first lead, I would screenshot that and post it. That's proof. And when you're just starting, proof is way more important than looking fancy. People want to see that your stuff works, so I would show them. Now, after doing a few calls, I would start noticing patterns. People would say the same objections or the same worries. That's feedback. I would use that to improve my offer. I'd tweak the wording, adjust the promise, maybe change the way I deliver. I don't wait until it's perfect. I just keep making it more relevant and more attractive with every conversation. And here's the biggest thing of all. I stay focused. I don't jump around trying new tools. I don't waste time making a logo or building a website. I don't start a podcast. I don't try 10 different business models at the same time. I spend my time on 3 things: starting conversations, posting content, doing calls. That's it. Every day, over and over again. That's how I hit $10,000 fast per month. It wasn't by doing 100 different things. It was just by doing the few things that actually moved the needle. Now, unfortunately, we're not allowed to share everything on YouTube, which is why I've recorded a free video to show you how I made over $1,000 a day in profit from my laptop. And right now, we're also offering a few free consultation calls with me or my team to help you come up with a game plan to reach financial freedom in 90 days or less using the PTP method. Now, I highly suggest you click the link in the description below when you're done watching this video. But be quick, because spots fill up extremely fast and soon we'll be forced to take the video down. Once I start making money, I don't stop. I look at ways to stack offers. If someone buys my $1,000 offer and they love it, I ask if they want to keep going next month. At least if it's a service. If it's a coaching offer or a course, it's typically a one-off thing. Now, I turn one-time clients into monthly clients. Now I've got money coming in on repeat. And that's how I go from scrambling to stable. And that's how I grow and make more money without burning out. So to wrap it up in plain language, here's what I'd do if I had $0 and 30 days to make $10,000. I would get super clear on why I need the money. I would pick a painful problem to solve. I'd make a simple promise that delivers a real result. I would talk to people every day and ask about their problems. I'd make short, helpful videos. I'd book calls. at close clients. I would deliver the results myself. I would share the wins. I would adjust my offer as I go. And I would focus on nothing else but those. That's all you need to make $10,000 per month. That's it. And it's not magic, it's not easy, but it is simple. Business is just mathematics. Think of it like a machine. It's inputs, outputs. Simple. There's no room for luck or guessing or magic. If you follow this method without getting distracted, it works. I would bet everything on it. Now, if you're serious about becoming financially free this year, click the link in the description below because I've made a video where I explain how I've been able to make more than $1,000 a day in profit. And right now, we're also offering free strategy calls with me or a member of my team to help you come up with a custom game plan to reach financial freedom in 90 days or less. But be quick because we have very limited spots and they fill up fast. And soon, we'll probably take that video down. So click on the link in the description below. Watch the video, book your free call before it's too late. And with that being said, I'll see you on the other side.